Well, that was a wonderful, wonderful time in Gordonsville, Tennessee. Now we're on our way back to Jackson. I'm on Interstate 840, and we're going to stop off at Buckle, Hyde and Leather in Smyrna, Tennessee. I've got to get some things sewn on my vest, and they're really nice people at Buckle, Hyde and Leather in Smyrna. So anytime we have something I need sewn on the vest, or need a new vest or chaps or whatever, that's where we like to go. So there's really good preaching, good testimonies, good food, good worship music. Yeah, so it was just a good time. So anyway, we'll catch you here in a few minutes when I get to Buckle, Hyde and Leather.